In this video, I'll show you how to add another row or column to a table in Google Docs. If you're working with a table in Google Docs and you need more space, adding a new row or column is very simple. You can do it in just a few clicks, and the steps are a little different depending on whether you're using Google Docs on a computer, Android, or iPhone and iPad. Google's current help pages show that desktop uses the right-click menu, while mobile uses small add buttons directly on the table. Let's start with the desktop version, because that's the one most people use for editing larger documents. Open your Google Docs file and click anywhere inside the table. Then move to the cell next to where you want the new row or column to appear. Right-click that cell and a menu will open. From there, choose one of these options: Insert row above, Insert row below, Insert column left, or Insert column right. As soon as you click one of those, Google Docs adds the new row or column right away. Here's an easy way to remember it. If you want a new row, think about whether you want it above or below the cell you selected. If you want a new column, think about whether you want it on the left or on the right. So the position of your click matters because Google Docs uses the selected cell as the reference point for where the new table space should go. That makes it easier to place the new row or column exactly where you need it. Now let's look at mobile. On Android, open your document and tap the table. To add a row, tap the Add button in the bottom left corner of the table. To add a column, tap the Add button in the top right corner. On iPhone and iPad, Google's Table Editing Help also confirms support for adding and editing table rows and columns in the Docs app with the same mobile table tools. So that's how to add another row or column to a table in Google Docs. On desktop, right-click a cell and choose where you want the new row or column to appear. On mobile, tap the table and use the Add buttons. Once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.